Hello everyone! Today I'm going to introduce you Kinco Servo Pro, a brand new servo software. When you first open the software, a version update window will pop up showing the latest version information. By default, the option check for updates at startup is selected. If you uncheck it, the window will no longer appear when you launch the software. Of course, you can always check it manually in Help. In the center of the main page, you'll see the recent projects. You can enter the project directly or open other project. Now, let's connect to a servo. From the Start menu, click Online Mode. Set the communication parameters according to your setup, then click Start Scanning. The connected drives will be listed. The latest version profile will be selected automatically. If no errors are detected, click Enter Configuration. Under the Project menu, you can access project settings and basic servo functions. In Tools, you'll find the firmware download feature. Under Help, you can even access the AI assistant and other tools. On the left side of the software, you'll find servo functions and device information. In the parameter list, parameters are organized as all parameters and parameter groups. You can add parameters to the watch list directly or enter an index ID to add. In operation mode, you can switch between different servo operation modes for debugging. And in jog, the servo motor can move back and forth between a defined start and end position. At the bottom of the software, you can see the device connection status, enable status, and alarm information in real time. That's pretty much the overview of the Kinco Servo Pro. We will have more videos to explore the features with you. Stay tuned and see